Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a popular social media platform where people can send messages, photos, videos, and share their status with their friends and family. You can download Facebook Messenger to communicate with people sitting an ocean apart. Facebook has a network of billions of users connected on a common platform. You can add your friends from your phone's contact list as well. When you receive a message on Messenger, a pop-up appears with a notification sound. The notification sound can be annoying sometimes, and you can choose the notification sounds of the Messenger. To do so, open the Messenger app, tap the three lines at the top, then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now, select notifications and sounds. Then, select your notification settings. And that's all. Being alerted with important messages come in is one of the ways helps you with this. You can choose with notifications received when someone sends you a message via Messenger. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.